Morning from day number 2 on the hidden photo tour in Georgia, and today we are heading from Tbilisi towards the hills. We're going to Stepantsminda and it's going to be awesome. It starts right now. Let's go. Welcome to our first stop here today. This is the Chronicle of Georgia, a giant monument about a half an hour outside of Tbilisi, and it is windy, really crazy weather up here, in and out of the sun, but hopefully we'll have good weather going towards the mountains. But this is just a quick stop to see this very impressive monument. Our local driver and guide Gergeti was telling us that this is important because during the Soviet times, you know, it was a bit more difficult to access Georgian culture and history, and when the USSR fell, you know, this was built by the Georgian government to try and chronicle that very rich history of thousands of years. So you got Georgian kings, you got the religious history, you got scrolls and text all here, and it's pretty impressive. It's a giant monument, that's for sure. Our second stop here on day number 2 is the Anuri Fortress. Now this is a pretty popular location, mostly due to where it is on the military highway leading up towards Stepantsminda, which is our final destination in this video. And with weather like this, you almost have to stop. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's kind of a postcard snap, and for that reason, there are a lot of tourists here. And I think we got lucky. It's not as busy as I was expecting. And because this is a hidden photo tour, we are not going to spend too much time here. It's about continuing on and getting up into the mountains towards Mount Kazbek. But yeah, this place is pretty cool. Testing 1, 2. Very windy, very cold up here. We've just passed the Gudari ski resort, and unfortunately we got a flat tire. So you see Gergeti, the awesome driver. How you doing?
Yeah, good.
Good. Fixing the flat, very unfortunate, but we were lucky to be near this parking lot. There's a panoramic mosaic kind of lookout point here, another relatively popular spot along the military highway. And yeah, it's windy and cold, but he's doing a good job getting the new tire on, and we're gonna have to replace that with another spare, but it sounds like that'll be possible where we're going. So yeah, man, the adventure continues here on day 2, and hopefully we'll be able to hit the road and still make it for sunset at Kazbek. We're putting on the warm clothes now, eh?
Okay.
It's gotten cold. Woo! Team! I didn't actually do anything. And we have made it to Stepantsminda. This is an awesome location here in Georgia. Ooh, very overexposed. pardon me, and a beautiful, beautiful landscape. So yeah, you're in for a treat. This place is pretty cool. All right, this is the room. Check out this view. This is insane. What's that? You already got the telephone out, eh? Let's see it out the window. Woo! What a view, huh? That is Kazbek, yeah. And we have made it to Gergeti Monastery. This is a very, very nice photograph. You can probably see it off in the background there. And there's a cloud inversion happening behind it right now. We're about half an hour, maybe an hour before sunset, which is perfect. Just beautiful, stunning scenery. So less talk from me and more B-roll and photos because this place is insane. It is the last of the light here at Gergeti Monastery, just outside of Stepantsminda in Georgia, and what an awesome sunset that was. We got treated to just phenomenal light here at the end of a pretty long day and kind of a hectic day with that flat tire and the repair, but we made it about an hour and a bit early and just got some phenomenal light on this church with like a low cloud and sort of a cloud inversion on the mountain in the background and just perfect sunset light. So I hope you enjoyed some of that drone footage and some of those photos, and you still got a lot to look forward to because it looks like we're gonna have clear skies overnight, so hopefully some astro and then an awesome sunrise tomorrow morning right back here at this same location. And then tomorrow during the day we're gonna head to a hidden valley nearby here, small village called Juta, and that is a really unique landscape location that has a hotel that we actually have to walk to get to. You can't even drive there, so it's gonna be quite an adventure and a very good hidden landscape photo spot. So hope you enjoyed this video. As always, thank you so much for watching. You got a lot to look forward to as we continue our journey throughout Georgia, and I'm excited about the next one. So bring on Juta and the wild mountains of Georgia.